This is a quick video to show you how to return books in Alma. First, you need to select the Lincoln Circulation Desk, right here where it says McKinstry Library Lincoln Circulation Desk, and select. Then you go to Fulfillment. You can either do Return Items or Scan in Items. I usually use Scan in Items. And then it gives you a little box that asks for the barcode. First, I'm going to do one of our books, show you what happens there. Okay, scan in the book, and it pops up this little letter, return receipt letter, and says what you returned. Now, if somebody really wants a receipt letter, I would just cancel out of it. And this one is a new book. I haven't taken off new books, so that's why that's popping up. Okay, now I'm going to do an iShare book. And this pops up a routing slip that says where it's going, which college and barcode and all that stuff. You need to print that and then put it with the book. And then we'll be handling books that we return the same way we always have, put them in the purple bags. And that's how you return books in Alma.